Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file revised return for I 2024-25. Start by locating your original return and all supporting documents, then list every correction you need to make. Calculate the revised taxable income and any extra tax or refund. Choose the correct form and attach proofs for changes. Review figures carefully before submission to avoid further amendments or notices. Begin by confirming the assessment year and the original filing details, then identify each error that needs correction. Recalculate taxable income and apply the right deductions or exemptions you missed. Complete the revised return form with corrected figures and attach evidence for each change. Pay any extra tax with applicable interest or claim the refund, and keep acknowledgments and receipts for your records. Avoid common pitfalls by double-checking all supporting documents and calculations before filing a revised return. Ensure you attach proofs for deductions, correctly compute any additional tax and interest, and meet the filing deadline for the assessment year. Keep clear records of acknowledgments and communications in case the tax office requests clarification. A careful review now can prevent time-consuming corrections later and reduce the risk of penalties or notices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.